Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today Asus surprised us with something. So this is the Asus Zenpower 10050C for USB Type-C and Quick Charge 3.0. So we're not actually sure what does the C means on the Zenpower 10050C. But what we know about this one is that we're gonna unbox it today, okay? It has a QC 3.0, which is a Quick Charge 3.0 technology made by Qualcomm. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look on this power bank. Okay, so finally we removed the tape on the Zenpower 10050C. Okay, so what we side is of course the Asus Zenpower 10050C with Quick Charge 3.0. That's a quite long name for a power bank, so we're just calling this one the 10050C. Still a long one. Anyway, this is the Zenpower 10050C. It looks very similar to the previous Zenpower, but again, we do have some difference compared to the previous Zenpower, because this one comes with, I can remove the sticker, thank you. So this one comes with a USB Type-C and of course a Quick Charge 3.0. As you can see, we got here the blue port, and then we got here the normal charging port, just the 5 volts 2 amperes maybe. Have to check it on the box. So the USB Type-C gives you a 5.1 volts with 3 amperes output or input. The other one is a USB Type-A. It's a The other one is a USB Type-A with 5.1 volts, 1 ampere. It's kind of weird. Then the other one is the 5.1 volts to 6.1 volts with 3 amperes, or 6.1 volts with 12.1 volts, or 18.3 watts. That's the Quick Charge 3.0 technology of Qualcomm, and that's quite good. I mean, as long as your smartphone supports, Quick Charge 3.0, you'll probably benefit on this one. This one is really fast, and as you can see below, it's 10,050 milliamps. Nothing to worry about that. Shows just showing the the capacity of the power bank. This one is made up of metal, really solid. If you're gonna throw this one on a person, you'll probably kill that person. And then we also got here the power button. The power button also serves as the battery status, which is only 3 LED lights. I'm not sure why there are only 3 LED lights on this one instead of 4, but we do have a flashlight. So turning on the flashlight is just by holding the power button. It isn't really a challenge to me. Just turn on the flashlight by just holding power button. So yeah, I guess let's check out what's inside the box aside from the power bank, of course. So inside, you got your manual. The manual that most people won't read, but probably some people who can operate something will probably check out this one. But here's the interesting part. We got here a USB Type-C to USB cable. So this one is used to charge the power bank like this, and then plug this one to your laptop, to your charger, to whatever that you have. But the thing is that you can use this one to charge your smartphone, like this one. This is the Asus Zenfone 5 that I'm using. You have here the Zenfone 5, and I'm gonna charge this one using the QC 3.0 charger, and I'm gonna press this one. There we go. So it shows that the smartphone is charging using the QC 3.0. I'm not sure if this one is charging on fast charger, at QC 3.0 like charging, but it's charging. There we go. It's fast charging. It shows that the power bank the power bank's QC 3.0 recharges the smartphone using the QC 3.0 as shown by the Zenfone 5. It shows here fast damn charging. Okay, so the QC 3.0 of the Zenpower 10050C really works. Okay, so yeah, of course, but still you can charge your smartphone using the regular port, which is a USB-A, which is according to the box, is a 1 or a 5.1 volts with 1 ampere charging. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see here the difference. I'm gonna press the power button again. There we go. Charging, but not fast charging. Yeah, just charging. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for unboxing and hands-on of the Asus ZenPower. I'm gonna fix this box. 10050C that comes with a USB Type-C port and of course a quick charge 3.0. Really awesome power bank. So yeah, I'm not sure when this one will be available here in the Philippines. This is a surprise from us when we went to Taiwan for Computex 2018. And yes, I guess that's it for our hands-on video. So once again, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, of course, subscribe, and of course, like this video. So for the third time or second time, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing hands-on of the Asus ZenPower 10050C power bank with quick charge 3.0.